Well, I'm Chris Weaver. I work for Capital One. I'm in the mobile services team. We work on the orchestration layer that sits between the mobile applications that run on iPhone, iPad, and Android, and between the our customer services backends. We use Ansible for everything in our services stack, as we call it. So we deploy our entire AWS infrastructure using Ansible. We also deploy our code using Ansible. We build our custom AMIs using Ansible. Obviously, you want some sort of configuration management and you want some kind of distributed control of deployment. And in the case of Ansible, we wanted control over our own destiny. And so when we went with Ansible, we didn't have to wait for other groups to create things. We didn't have to worry about other groups stomping over our own code. And as time went on, we started using Ansible for more and more. So we started out using CloudFormation templates. We built custom code to create CloudFormation templates, but we were using Ansible to upload the CloudFormation templates to AWS. And at that point, we started saying, well, why don't we just use Ansible to build everything? We've developed the ability to create the entire stack at once. So now we can create an entire stack in a few minutes, test it, then when we're happy with it, we can delete it. We can do blue-green channel switching where we can create basically a parallel stack, test something, and then swap the parallel stack in, or just the parts that we need to test. With AWS, we can do it quickly. We only pay for the parts we need and then we delete them when they're done. Okay, let's say we create a dozen auto-scaling groups at once right now, probably moving out to 25 or 30, and each one of them is going to be 3 to 6 instances at least. And so we want to be able to create that quickly, and we can hit tower with 30 or 40 requests at once and then build all of our instances at the same time. The cost saving in time was far more than the cost of tower. And so then we started expanding more and more licenses. It's kind of a fire and forget. Once you set it up, you put your deployment playbook in there, it just works.